Hey, hi. Welcome. Welcome for the session, and I hope there will be others also joining in. So let's make a quick start. Uh, this is Manoj here, Manoj Ramakrishnan, and today I'll be letting you know how you can create your online course selling business in next 7 days. It can be live and activated, and so we are gonna talk more in terms of how you can create online course selling business in next 7 days, and we really want you guys not to invest on expensive platforms every month which are charging, and we can help you out to make sure your course selling platform is live and you can start your dream business which you are thinking of selling courses, reaching up the large target which is there, and you could help them to cater with your experience and your knowledge creating such platforms. Now, I have been following this since last year. Last year also, this was a map which was been seen, and most of the people might have seen this. Everyone last year was expecting that in 2020 the industry will be booming up to $38 billion industry, and online course selling industry would be this high. And most of the trainer coach mentors who are doing business online today are they are quite aware about it, and they are bringing their courses, catering their students online and helping them to learn online. All of the sudden, due to this pandemic situation this year, this industry boosted like anything. Many people came up with their courses, many people came up with their products, and I was also a part. I had joined couple of trainer mentor coach, and I had seen how they are doing it, okay, and how they have been able to make this huge money out of this online course industry. And it's everyone's dream. If the industry is this big, a small 1% of 1% is also a very good thing for anyone who's trying to be a part of this industry, you know. And I also went and I checked out. I joined the mentor, and everything was good, but when I started joining, they started giving me online courses, and then they started selling the platforms, wherein the platforms will be wherein I would be able to create my course and put it up on those platforms. I understand you guys also may be correlating with what I'm saying. And there where the problem arised. Okay. The problem was they asked me to purchase an LMS platform. They wanted me to purchase a landing page, and they wanted me to purchase an email automation so that I can take a start and create my own courses. And as well as I have to have a personal branded website. For website, again, I need a domain and hosting server. So I started calculating all these things. The platform they were asking me to go ahead was something like Teachable. And when I saw the price, this is Teachable's price, wherein $39 every month I would be spending for a basic plan. Okay. Now for a pro plan, I would be spending somewhere around $119, and then business plan. And apart from this, the basic plan has some profit sharing with Teachable also, only because I'm keeping my course and bringing students over there. I had to share some profit. So I was a bit pulled back with the monthly plan. Then I saw these guys asking me to create beautiful landing pages so that my students can get attracted to it and join me. And they were suggesting to purchase ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels again is at a price point of $97 per month. This is their base plan. The mid plan is 297, and then the extreme plan is 2497. This is again per month. The third platform again was email automation, and get response was something which was been said. This again is in budget, wherein $15 a month. But again, it had a limitation of 1,000 subscribers only, which for some reason I was pulled back, and I wanted to calculate everything. And I came with this calculation, and I saw the basic plans were for an LMS in Indian rupees, again, calculating it is 2,164 per month. I would be spending for landing page 7,239, for email automation, again, 1,119 rupees. Overall, it comes to 10,523 rupees just for all these three platforms. Apart from this, I would be spending on domain hosting, SSL, coding, and website. So, including all these things, an estimate came up to 1.5 lakhs, and that too without spending anything, or without even selling my course, I was just spending on this platform. I came up with this solution, saying that okay, this is not going to work out, and not many trainers are going to jump into it just to create their courses. There could be others who are financially strong, but in this pandemic situation, I was not, and I was looking out for options. And there, where we thought of coming up with a platform, and we came up with Academy Pro. Now, our mission is to help 100,000 trainers create the online training industry without investing on expensive platform every month. And the best part is your goal is our mission. Okay, so we want your goal, your dreams to be achieved, and we kept it as a mission. Why I'm saying that is only because with the Academy Pro, that's the product which I'm going to show you the demo in and out right away in this session. So, and I really believe if I would have been in your place, I would like to understand the product first and then purchase it, rather than just looking at a shiny landing page, talking more about what the commitment of the platform is going to give. After purchase, I have also burnt a lot, wherein the commitment of those platform have failed. So I thought I should show the demo to people who really want to be a part of it. In and out of it, I can answer all your questions and let you know. Now, in the live demo, I'll show you how you can add up courses on the platform in Academy Pro. In Academy Pro, it allows you to add unlimited courses, unlimited videos, unlimited students can be added, unlimited leads can be generated, unlimited landing pages can be created. It's a cloud-based LMS platform. Saying I can always say it's a cloud-based course selling platform. I'll let you know why I'm saying that. Free domain based, again, you get a free domain from our end, as well as for your personal branding, you can put up your logo, your banner on the platform, and many more as bonuses. So I hope you guys will be excited to know the inside of Academy Pro. But before going ahead, I'll just give you a brief about who I am and why I'm doing this. My name is Manoj Ramakrishnan. I used to be a college dropout, completed my graduation via correspondence studies, and this is the reason why education academia is very close to my heart. In 2002, I used to work as an usher in a multiplex. Now, usher is a person who shows torch and make people sit in a cinema hall. I used to do that, and that's where I have come up all this way. It's a long way I have, moved into it. So now it's almost 18 years of experience I do have, and I have worked in business development, corporate training, and recruitment solutions. So these are the core industries I have worked into. Corporate training and recruitment is an expertise area I have been working with. Worked in various domains like technology, corporate training, and sales, business development area. I worked in India and Australia. Today, from an usher to a CEO. When I call myself as a CEO, I personally have my online platform named Book a Trainer. It is a marketplace aggregator model wherein it connects corporates and trainers to match their requirements, training requirements. And that's why when I say I run this business and I'm connected with trainers so closely, that I know in India there are best of the best trainers who have not yet come online, only because of the costing part, as well as they have seen the other trainer mentors what they are selling, and they don't want to be a part of it. So we thought we should get something which is quite reasonable and help people to come online. So from customer service to technology training, I have been into all this area. My life has been in an amazing roller coaster journey. I have been into a lots ups and downs. Today, a husband of a loving wife and a father of a 6-year-old princess. My roots are giving back to the society and lifting people up in life. So this is who I am, and I have been hustling for the corporate training industry and the trainer fraternity also all these whiles. So the platform what you're going to see is something which is going to be very competitive to all these areas what you might have seen or you might have listened in this particular pandemic situation. So it's going to be a competitive platform for all these options. And I'll just take a switch off screen. I'll just change the screen, and I'll take you towards the browser, and I'll show you the whole platform right away. So just give me a moment. If you are able to see my browser, just type yes, so that I can help you out. I can take it ahead. Okay, Ankit, thank you very much, Ankit. So I'll guide you with. Okay, Raghavendra is saying Teachable was free in the beginning. Raghavendra, every platform is free. When they talk about the Tribase or on a on a base to understand, but they don't give you everything to see what is there until you don't pay them. So that's how most of the platform works out. Uh, so this is one of the website I can show. I can show you a couple of more. Now you can check the domain name. It is coachmanish.com. We provide you similar domain. You let us know what domain you want, and we can always try to identify the domains for you. If it is available, you'll get it. It is mentordrdeepak.com. This is another client of ours. I'll show you a couple of more. It is mentorbots, and there are uh, chatterjee.com. So on a name also I am showing you. So first name, last name.com. We have something with the, a firm name if you want, like mentorboards.com. That is what the client wanted. We have given domain like Mentor Dr. Deepak. So this is his website, which he has created, as well as Coach Manish. So he has made his website. I'll show you all the details, as well as this is Online Training Mastery. It's again a similar website. I'll give you all in and out how the website looks. So this is how the front end of the website your clients, your students are going to see. So they are going to see. Just switch off my chat. Okay. So your students are going to see your domain name. Once they come on your domain name, your logo is going to be there. You can always put up your sliders. You can customize your slider with your photograph, and you can always try to make sure it is related to that. You can put banners on this particular platform. You can sell these courses which are there. So all these courses which you can see, I'll talk about this also in a while. And all the courses can be seen. You also have blogs, so you can also add up your blogs. As I told you, you can add unlimited courses, you can add unlimited blogs as per you want. This is for Dr. Mentor Deepak. He has created beautiful sliders for himself. Okay, and these are the courses which he is selling and the blogs. There is Mentor Boards. So this is again their slider, the courses which are there, and the pricing again is what you decide. Now for every course which you see, the course has a landing page. So as I told you, you can create unlimited landing page. Every course you add up, it comes with a beautiful landing page. So these are the landing pages which you can showcase. You also have videos. You can put up your name, photograph, and the content is there. Now when you see all the websites, all the website has common things. The courses are same. Why? Because we are providing you 20 social media marketing courses absolutely free with the platform. And that's why everyone who has bought the platform, they are activated and they have started selling these courses to the student. The courses can be sold to your student. You also get these landing pages automatically. I'll show you how this has been done, as well as you just need to add your name, your photograph, and every content on this is ready to go. You don't need to worry about it. The bonuses are ready to go. Your students are going to see it like this. And if they want and they like to go for it, they are just going to click on the buy button and it can be redirected to your payment gateway. Payment gateway integration, it can be integrated with PayPal, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. In Indian payment gateway, we can integrate it with InstaMojo. Now you can see this is InstaMojo link. InstaMojo, Razorpay, PayUmoney, if you want, we can do that. Or PayPal also, Indian PayPal can be integrated with this particular platform. It is very easy, not that difficult as you can see. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so you get all these 20 courses absolutely free with the platform. You can sell these courses at any price point you want. You can sell it at 99 rupees or you can sell it at 9,900 rupees with your own niche course, adding all this thing as bonuses, which all the trainer, coach, mentors are doing these days. They are adding up all bonuses to and make sure that they don't lose any sale. So you still can be in the same game and run your business. Now this is the back end of Academy Pro. Okay, now in the back end, before we go ahead, and I'll show you all the detail how everything comes up, all the features of the platform. I'll show you. It is a cloud-based application, and on the front end, it is a white label website for you as well as your students. It's a white label website wherein you can directly promote with this particular brand name, and the platform can be accessed by your student. Before I go ahead with the platform, I would like to tell you there are not many people who say this in their session. They talk about their platform's greatness and how the platform does well or how their product is going to help. I'm not going to tell you that. The most important thing I'm going to tell you with Academy Pro, what you get is the support. Okay. We give you a hand holding support. We don't let you down. As I give you a commitment that within 7 days, we will make sure that your website is live and you are good to go with your own business. So our support is that strong. We are talking about support. If you want to understand the support via the application, there are walkthrough. So this is the walkthrough which can let you know what tab is where it is, and it won't let you feel all alone any period of time. In case you miss out anything, you can just click on the walkthrough and you can get all the steps, what it is and the meaning of it. You can identify it. Now that you can click it on this particular camera icon and you can go through the walkthrough. The video is also there. It's an intro video which tells you about everything about the Academy Pro step by step. It guides you, letting you know how the platform can be used. And this is not it. We also have the help part in the left hand side, which if you click on the help, you will be able to get a step by step process how to do all these features. In case you want to create an ad campaign on Academy Pro, click on it and there's a video step-by-step guidance to let you know how you can create an ad campaign, and you can go through the video and do it step by step also. But that's not it. In terms of support, we also have a live support. This is not a AI support wherein you type and you have to wait for the people, the auto bots to respond. These are people who are there to support you online any period of time. At night also you're working, because the support team works 24/7 in India and US. They are supporting clients, so you can reach them out. They will be able to help you or guide you how to do things in case you are stuck anywhere with it. But that's not it. I personally put myself online. In case you are stuck with anything, you can reach me out any period of time. I can come on your system. I can help you. I can guide you how to proceed with it also. So this is the support we are extending from our end. We just don't let the client, we don't sell the product and just leave your client on their own with the technical default, because I understand not everyone is a technical expert. Everyone requires a guideline or a support. The initial support is always going to be there from our end until and up to your platform is live and you are in a stage to start promoting it. Okay, we are going to be there to support you, and any period of time you can reach me out also. So that's the support part. Let's go into the academia. Now, the first part you can see is the dashboard. The dashboard talks about the courses, visitors, total sale, and analytical graph about how many visitors are coming in, recent courses, tickets. In case your student are raising any tickets, can be seen. I'll take you deep dive into it also. Top selling courses can be seen. Now, if you want to add up the course, you just need to click on the courses, the second tab, which is courses on the left hand side. It is all step by step. There is nothing coding over here. It is all copy paste, and we just need to follow the procedure. Academy Pro is not gonna allow you to keep anything incomplete. So you have to complete the procedure or you have to just leave it, so that your site doesn't get hampered. Your site looks complete like this rather than incomplete with incomplete content kind of. It won't allow you to keep it up. Now, these courses which you can see in list, these are all the preloaded courses which are there. Like, for example, as I showed you, advanced video marketing, and I have added, I was showing you about WhatsApp marketing also. So these are all courses which are there. And to activate and deactivate the course, it is very easy. So for example, on this platform or the site, I'm doing it live. I'm not doing it on any server or so. Now, this is the website. This is the course which you can see. It's an advanced video marketing course. If you don't want this course to be seen or shown, you just need to click on this button and put it off. That's it. Okay. Your course on the website will not be visible to your students or your customers. It is that easy. At a click of a button, your course is vanished. Now, if you want to activate it again, you can activate it and the further process starts up. As soon as you activate the course, it takes you inside the platform to manage the whole course. Now, here you can add up your name. Now, my name over here is written as Manoj. I will just show you if I'll write my full name, Manoj Ramakrishnan here, and I can change any image. Now, here I can put up my photograph. And that's it. These content are ready-made. You don't need to do anything on these areas. Just click on next and follow the procedure. Your free report is something wherein this preloaded courses has free content to be given to your students. So this is kept as free. We just don't do anything on this part also. We click on next. As soon as you click on next, the step-by-step training area is where we define the price of the course. We put a product code, and this is the payment button. We add it up. We don't do anything on the email format because the system takes care of the email. Once you add any of your students into the system will send email to them. So there's no email formatting we do, and we click on next. As soon as we click on next, this is an upsell page. We put a price point. We again copy paste the button code, and that's it. So we just click on next again. As soon as you do that, this is where the course, your whole course can be activated. And as soon as you click on finish, the course is ready to be seen on the main website. So if I refresh the website, the whole course comes up. So this is how the course gets activated. I can see the payment, the landing page. All courses have their own landing page. All courses have this preloaded
Hello,
videos.
aspiring marketers. Are you still?
This, in case you don't want it, you want to put your own intro video asking people to come and join the course, you can upload this also over here. You can, as I told you, you can write up your name, your photograph, and all the content is ready to go in the landing page. You don't need to do anything. As I told you, within 7 days, you're ready to take a start with the sales part of the preloaded course. In case you have your own course, you can still do that. I'll show you how to add up your own course also. So if you're adding your own course, this is how the differentiator is. Now the own course comes with a custom tag. The preloaded courses come with a DFY, do for yourself tag. Now when you add up your course, okay, how it looks, I'll show you that also. You can click on manage and get inside the course. Now this is the area wherein you can put up the course name. You can upload the course photo, if you have a course logo also, you can upload that logo on for the course. And this is how you can always change it and upload the course logo also from here. You can put up your photograph. You can write up your name. Now here you're going to write your course description. So this is the most important thing, because it's your own course. So we have to write our own course description, and then you can click on next. As soon as you click on next, it goes to the report part. Now, as I told you, this is my course. I don't have a free report, but if you have a free report or you want to share a table of content with your student, you can just click yes and put the title, a small description about the content, and upload a PDF file. So this content can be downloaded by your student before they buy the course also. I don't have it, so I'll just uncheck it and move on to next. Now, this is the third step wherein I am able to put up my pricing point, my product ID, and I'm adding up the button code. As soon as I do that, I click on next. And here is the last stage wherein I'm adding up my course videos. Now, course videos can be added up. So lesson 1, lesson 2 is just for your reference. Otherwise, the title is something what your students are going to see. Title, you can put the course name, you can put introduction, you can put chapter 3, you can put day 4, anything you want in the title, and that will be seen. I'll show you that also. And if it is a video course, you can put it up, or if it's a PDF, you can sell ebooks also via this platform. It is not only for video course selling, it can sell ebooks also, and I'll show you that part too. If it is a video, it will ask you from where you're pulling in video: YouTube, Vimeo, .compal, or MP4. I still suggest most of the beginners to go with YouTube. YouTube have a very beautiful feature called unlisted. If you use that feature, nobody is going to see that video on YouTube. But if you're putting that video code over here, only people who are paying you via Academy Pro is able to see that course. Okay, so that's how it has been done. And in a simple way, your videos can be added up. So if you want to add more lessons, you just click on add and your lessons get added up like this. As I told you, Academy Pro is not going to allow you to move ahead without completing the process. So if I'm keeping this incomplete and I'm trying to finish this course, it is going to give me an error saying, okay, you either complete it or remove it. So this is the error. Now, if I remove this course and I try to finish, it is gonna go ahead. This is how the platform is. So there is no dependency. In case you find any error, that means there's some mistake which is happening. We can always rectify that mistake. Now, if you want to see how the course looks like, on a front end, you can always click on the I view button, and this is how your course is gonna be seen. So as I told you, the course title comes up over here rather than the lesson. Lesson is just for your reference. And if it is coming from YouTube, this is how the streaming goes on. So I'll just
Cimarron once said, time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. And it's true. It's the most valuable asset we have at our disposal. Every hour in our workday translates to dollars spent, dollars gained, or dollars wasted. Our abilities to produce, to profit, to grow and scale are all dependent on our ability to manage and dominate time. But how can we truly take command of this golden asset? How can we ensure we're making the absolute best use of the minutes and hours in both our businesses and in our personal lives? In this course, we're going to show you how to do exactly that.
So this is just an intro I wanted to show you. So in case you are creating your courses, it should be this dynamic. And yeah, people love to see such intros before they take a start with the course. No one is doing that, but yeah, you can take a start. So all the courses can be seen in this manner, and as I told you, you can also show them about the course image. Your profile image can be seen. I don't even sell the platform itself. There are a lot of bonuses which I'll guide you also once we take a deep dive into it. I think so. There was somebody asking how to add. I'll guide you, Ankit. I'll guide you everything. How to add payment gateway code. I'll guide you on each and everything. Don't worry. Now, see, this part is just copy paste. If you're talking about the payment gateway part, this comes from your InstaMojo. It is not something which is coming from. It's not something difficult or so. I have people who have created. Now, this is the website which I'm showing you. This website was done within 2 hours. Okay, so Chitra Chatterjee is a trainer, and she has created this particular platform. Within 2 hours, she was able to do. She has integrated a payment gateway also, and her site is live. It is not something which is not live. If I go and click on the payment button, it directly takes me to her InstaMojo. And if a student want to pay, they directly can go and do it a payment from you. So it's not difficult, and we are there to support you. This script, what you are saying, it's a copy paste script. You just need to put your InstaMojo link over here, and that's it. You can add a payment part. So in case I'll show you for the same course, in case you want to, you can change the payment link as well as the payment price from InstaMojo, and you can do that. If you don't have an InstaMojo account, we help you out creating an InstaMojo account also, and we guide you how to do it. So don't worry about it. It is one-time process. It's not a everyday process you need to do. Once your site is live like this, you're just promoting the site, the landing pages, and you're able to make sure the students are coming on your platform and grabbing your courses also. So don't worry on those areas. I can help you out, and I'll let you know also in more detail. Now, once your students are paying it, doing a payment via this, you are able to get your student name, email ID, phone number, and as soon as they do the payment, you get a notification from InstaMojo with all these details. As soon as you get all these detail, what you are just doing is going into the members area. And in the member area, you are clicking on add new member. As soon as you know this is a student who had paid me for a particular course, you're adding up the student name, you're adding up his email ID via which you have received the payment. Okay, bookatrainer.in, and you can always add up the course. You can search the course also. Say, for example, someone has paid for webinar marketing. You are clicking up the course, and that's it. You can click on generate password. The password gets automatically generated as you do. You can customize the password also in case you want. Okay, and send it to a student. As soon as you click on create, the system sends an email with all the login credential for your course to the student. The student can directly, click on the link and join your course immediately. So that's how easy it is to create a member also on this. Now that's not it. The platform also has blogs. You can add, unlimited blogs you want, as well as the platform itself comes with 250 active blogs related to the social media marketing courses, which you are keeping it up on your platform or showcasing it on your platform. So all these courses has a relevant blog which comes with the platform itself. What you just need to do is activate the blog. That's it. Say for example, you're activating this blog, click on activate. If you want to edit it, click on this edit button. You get inside the blog. Once you are inside the blog, you can always add up an image like this and publish it. That's it. So as soon as you click on publish, the blog gets published on your website. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything, not even the content part. You just are doing it. The content is already there. You can edit the content if you want. If you want to add your own blogs, click on add new article. Write a blog title. You can copy paste the content or type the content over here, add a image part over here, and you can publish it immediately, or you can schedule it up also. So for example, you're writing an article on Diwali and you want to publish it on the day of Diwali and a particular time. You're fixing it up, saying morning 10 a.m. I want to publish this. I want this article to be published automatically. It will automatically get published. You just need to schedule it up. It is that easy on Academy Pro. You can write n number of articles, as many as you want. No limitation to this also. Okay. So there are features like this, and now the most important concern is about the image. Image. Many people are worried about the image for the article. They think, okay, if I'm writing an article, I'll go on Google, I'll copy an image and I'll upload it up. But again, we don't know whether the image really have a copyright issue or not. So on Academy Pro, you don't need to worry about that part also. If you can click on library, you will find stock library. Just open up stock library. And in stock library here, you have all the free images, whichever you want, you can take it up and use it in your blog or use it in your course. So for example, I'm searching out for mic. I can always look out for a mic image. I can click on this plus sign, it gets added to my library, and from my library, I can use it in my blogs also. So this is how easy it is to use images also from your Academy Pro. The other features which are there is get traffic, social campaign. Now, social campaign is something wherein in case you want to promote your course or your blogs on your social media, okay, automatically it can happen via Academy Pro. You just need to integrate your social media over here and set the timer from a duration, from which duration to which duration. For Facebook, it doesn't happen because Facebook has changed its policy 2 months back. It is not allowing any third-party platforms to directly promote it up in an automated process. Okay, but yeah, you can always copy and paste it up on Facebook also in case you want to. You can do that. Now, apart from that, there is SEO. Many people who don't know what SEO is, you don't need to worry on Academy Pro. You just need to write the meta description. That's a two-liner about what your platform is about. You can add the keywords and that's it. The rest, everything, the platform takes care for you. You don't need to worry on those areas also. Analytics, and the same thing can be done for your article page, your course page, title setting, and other things. Analytics, in case you don't know what Google tracking code can do, just copy the code from Google and paste it up over here. The platform will take care of it. Facebook remarketing, Pixel script, in case you are not aware how Pixel works, you have a course in the Academy. You can go through that also, or just go on Facebook, account of yours, search for Pixel ID. You will be able to get your own Pixel ID, copy it and paste it up. Rest everything the platform takes care of. You don't need to worry on those areas too. For SEO and remarketing Pixel also, the platform takes care of it. The report part. Now, Academy report is for your academia. It shows the analytical part of your academia, how the graphs are moving on for per month, per week, total course, total visitor, total sale. Technology wise, what kind of technology are your student using to reach your platform? Desktop, mobile, operating system, browser can be seen. Location based, it also shows you which location the maximum visitors are coming on your platform, and you can always focus on your remarketing strategies on any Google. If you're using Google AdSense for marketing, or you're using Facebook or LinkedIn, you can target those areas. Results in terms of visitors and conversion ratios, also what kind of conversion has been done, the report can tell you. Same report can be shown for blogs, social reports, and other things. Ad campaign is something which is my favorite. You can always create ads. For example, if you might have seen a particular coach mentor, he asks you to visit a link. As soon as you visit that link and you're scrolling down, you may get some kind of offer or pop-up appears up, and they give you offers on various strategies just like this. Okay, so this is an offer which I have given. I want my students to get free ebooks, or people who are visiting my blogs as free ebook. They can click on it and they can get into my funnel. So this is a strategy which I'm using. There are a lot of people who are using such strategy. It has been created in this similar format. And I'll trust me, there are people buying ClickFunnels only for this kind of features, wherein they can attract more customers, more leads into their funnel. Ad campaign can be created in a very simple manner. You can just put up a name of an ad, select the content which you want, and once you select a template, there are hundreds of templates like this. You can select anything. If you don't want any of the content, you can just hide it up, as well as you can show it. So with a click of a button, it can be done. And say in case of buttons also, you don't want some buttons to be shown like this, you can hide it up, you can show it up. And once you're done with this strategy, you can go to next and make your sales strategy here. This is the area wherein you can define, if any of your student, if he comes on that particular page, when should your pop-up appears. So as soon as he comes on the page, should it appear, or on the exit of the page it should appear, or on the scroll, like as I did on that particular page, I scrolled and the pop-up came up. So I am using this particular strategy. Or after a delay, so after 10 seconds, if he's reading more, I can give him some other offer. Multiple offers you can create, no limitation on that also. Okay, so I've made a strategy like on scroll of 20%, that offer should come up. That means my student is reading my blog and then the offer should come up. So I'm giving that kind of opportunity to students. You can also showcase it to single pages, like I have taken all these pages for that particular offer, or you can take it on your home page, like your course homepage or your main page, or any page you want. You can put this pop-ups coming up. You can also schedule the pop-up from what day to what date it should be shown, because may happen I am promoting my page on Facebook and I want more leads to come up, or I want to give offer to people who are visiting my page. I can still do that, and this is where I can schedule the pop-ups also. So there where the ad campaign works up, I showed you about the member part, how it works. Library is where your stock library is and your media files are. You can try to identify images from there. Tickets is where you get your student tickets. In case there is any student who is not finding something, he can always raise a ticket from here, and the ticket can be seen in your academia like this. As well as in settings, I'll show you, there are lots and lot of things in settings also. In integration, you can integrate this platform with any of your favorite social media. Like the pop-up which I showed you, you can generate lead from there and take the lead to MailChimp. Now to do that also, it is very easy. Click MailChimp, put a API key from MailChimp, and that's it, save it. The platform integrates MailChimp automatically. You can do that the same with GetResponse. You can do that with ConvertKit or any of the social responder you want. Just bring the API key, put it up over here. Same can be done with CRM, Salesforce, HubSpot if you want. Webinars, this is not a webinar platform, but yeah, we do have an alternative solution. At the end of the session, I'll guide you. I'll tell you about that also. So webinar here is asking your students to join a live course or class. Now we have integrated with GoToWebinar because this platform is majorly used in the US. For that purpose, they have integrated with GoToWebinar. Social, you can integrate your social media details, and as I told you, it helps you to take a start with your social campaign. So this can be done. Advertisement, you can put up beautiful banners like this. You can add up whatever you want with the banners. You can put up banners and show it such banners on your website like this. Okay, so it could be for your course, it could be for your niche course, it could be an offer. I can show you there are a couple of clients who have made offer also on their website. So this is one of my client who has made a combo offer of what courses we have given. And see, this is how he has done YouTube plus viral marketing at so and so price. Anyone clicks on it, directly goes to the payment gateway. So these kind of offers can be done by putting up your banners on these areas. Payment method, again, it can be integrated with any of the international payment method as well as for Indian payment method. We also help you out on those areas. Custom domain, you can integrate as we give you a domain with .com if it is available, or .co.in or in if there is availability of it. Whatever it is there, it is absolutely free from our end. We provide you this absolutely free. Now there's more. It's not it. Now Academy setting is something wherein it is very easy to add up these logos and other thing. Every image what you're adding up on Academy Pro, they have given, we have provided you the size. You know, you can always make a logo of this size, a favicon icon of the size which is mentioned, and just upload it up. It automatically publishes and shows it to you. I'll show you how dynamic this is when we are using it for ourselves. So as you might see, it is difficult. It is seriously not. You get a contact us page also, and on the contact us page, you get a form to be filled up, as well as you can also see a map, which is just loading up. Yeah. So this is my location, which has been seen. I'll show you a proper way. Now, anyone who has some technical knowledge also of basic website designing, they'll come to know adding up a map like this is too tedious. You need to go on Google, find a Google API and then JavaScript and other things. But here it is very easy. Here, this is my address. I'm just hiding my address. I am putting it like Surat. I put up Surat, and that's it. I clicked on save. My address is saved. If I go on the main website and I refresh the page, you can see the location changing dynamically. It is that dynamic. You don't need to worry about it. The location changes automatically. I'm doing it live. I'm not doing it on any other platform. I'm doing it live. Okay. I go back and I put my location. I want to change my location, and I save it. As soon as I save, this goes back to my location. There's no coding, nothing. Seriously, there's no coding in it. Okay. So in case you are worried about there's coding, if there is any part of coding, we are there to support you. Don't worry on those areas also. But trust me, there's no coding. You can always make your website live immediately, like what these people have already done. Like within 2 hours, someone is making their website live is tremendous. I understand not everyone could be able to understand the process, but we are there to support you on those areas too. Okay. Now, this is not the end. We also have banners. So in case you want to change the sliders, like as I showed you, Manish Jain's website, he has changed the slider. He has made his own image coming up for his branding purpose. You can also do that. You have the slider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliders can be added up. This is the size of the slider. Just make sure you make an image, and we help you out with tools and platforms which can create such sliders absolutely free. You don't need to worry about it. Just use those tools, create an image of this size, bring it up, upload it on your platform, and your site can change the slider immediately. So no need to worry on those areas also. So this is how Academy Pro works on the back end. As I showed you a whole demo about the platform, the front end and the back end. I'll just change the switch, the screen, and I'll show you what more you get with this. Okay. So this is not the end, actually. I hope everyone is able to see the screen. I have changed it back to the. Can you see? Yes. Thank you, Ankit. So this is what most of the trainer, mentor, coach on online industry. I followed somebody and who was making this kind of money in 16 months selling online courses. So I thought, why not others can also do? It's only the platform which is needed. Rather than you have your experience, you have your skills, you know your targeted audience, you can create your video course and upload it up in a platform like this and start selling. No, you can work from home, no office, no employees, teaching people how to do it, inspiring people with your knowledge. Okay, and that's all you have. Apart from this, what we are giving you is all this, video courses. These are all social media video courses which you can use it for yourself if you, in case you want to use, because once you have the platform ready, your next strategy is sales. And to do that, you require social media marketing. How you're going to do it? You can also learn from this and start marketing your courses, your platform to your niche audience. So you have getting courses like Facebook marketing, Facebook remarketing, Facebook ad, YouTube marketing, email marketing, e-commerce, local marketing, Instagram marketing, Google AdWords, affiliate marketing, Amazon marketing, Google AdSense, video ads, Snapchat marketing, webinar marketing, WhatsApp marketing, LinkedIn marketing, traffic generation, money making online, and hangout marketing. Now, this is not it. I have more and more things coming up when you become a member. I do give 25 ebooks also, which you can use it as a lead magnet to attract more people. Give this ebook absolutely free. No worries on those areas also. You can sell these courses at a price point of 99 rupees to 999. That is your price point, your profit, no penny or no profit sharing with us. We don't even charge you a single penny after this. We don't say, okay, you made 1 lakh, 10 lakh or 20 lakh or once a year, just share us some percentage. Nothing like that with us. Okay. Whatever course has been sold, it is your profit, no profit sharing with us. That is what we believe and we want to give it there. So apart from this, as I told you, I give you more 25 ebooks, and there are a lot of bonuses also which you get with Academy Pro. So there are 15 other bonuses which with the platform it comes. We were thinking of the price point. We were thinking the price point should be kept at this. Actually, this is also old price point. I'm showing you the today in US the price point is also increased. For Academy Pro, we want the price point to be shared at 11,999. This is what we were thinking of also. Now, today at the end of the session, I'll give you a price point, a fair deal, which in case you want to achieve or you want to take it ahead, you can jump over it and create your academia and create your course selling website within next 7 days. So the bonuses, what you get is eWriter Pro, you get Infopreneur Academy, you get Insta Video Creator. These are video courses which you can always use it up. Someone wants to understand how Camtasia work, you can use that. How to start online coaching business. For this particular course, I personally have paid 9,999 to a coach, and I was pulled back with the upsell and the higher course selling platform which people are selling. So there is strategies like 100 e-course publishing tips, course engagement hack, course authority gold. You have strategies for generating more traffic. Now these are rebranding PLR videos, Course Ninja, Project Genius, then Entrepreneur Code. Now these are courses which these are actual programs like video course, ebooks, and platforms which has been given by Academia Pro in the Academia itself. This is one of the best home studio on budget. Like if you want to create a home studio, you can go through it. It's a video course guiding you how to do that, as well as recurring income strategy, a multiple source of income. If you want, how you can do that also, you can learn from these bonuses. But this is not it. I have more to give, and I keep giving more and more to my community. I can show you live, what my community feels when they are joining me or joining sessions like the group of Academia Pro. So I'm taking you back, and this is my sales page. I can show you my people's reviews. So I do have, these are live reviews which have been given. I can show you the time frame also. This is 8 hours back what Nitin Rishi has written for what we do, and these are his reviews. I am not boosting it up. This is Jalpa who has written it a day back. This is Chetna who has written. So these are my people in my community, and they have they really like what I do, and that's the reason such reviews keep coming up. And we love to help people, and we love to give them more and more. Now, as I told you, this is there on my sales page. Any period of time you want, you can go through it, you can review it up. And this is not it. I can show you more in terms of what people are feeling about Academy Pro. Why is because we give more than the value which is there. As I showed you, the lead magnet, as I told you, I'm giving you 25 ebooks. I am putting such ebooks to generate leads. Okay, and I give this platform also absolutely free. This is called as Epic Funnel. This platform, I would like to show you this platform. On this front page, it looks like that. You can always create a survey on the second page, which asks who you are. If you tick any of those, the third page which you can create is a thank you page showing the your audience that okay, they have completed the survey and they can join any of the social group. These are your strategies, whichever you want, you can define it up. But I'll show you the platform which you also get absolutely free. No, we don't charge you anything for this. Also, this platform is a funnel and a CRM, a combination of both. You get absolutely free with Academy Pro. It's a different platform which can let you know how your funnel is getting generated, how people are coming into the funnel, how many people are there. It also shows you a kind of CRM option wherein it lets you know how many people have completed the survey. You can check it out, those people who have completed survey. How many people are your core target? It can because depending on the survey it defines. If people are not your relevant target, they come into survey completed. If they are your targeted customer, they come into hot lead. And if you're closing these people, you can put it into closing. Now, for example, Devendra Patel is my client, and if I talk to him, he comes into my funnel and he purchases or he becomes a member with me, I can directly drag him and put him into the closing area just like this, doing nothing. Okay, it is very easy and simple. Now that becomes closed, so I can take him back again and put it here. If someone from a survey completed becomes a hot lead or becomes a closing, I can always drag and drop it. This is like a CRM. You can click on a particular person, check out his details. You can find out his name, email ID, whatever data you're collecting. You can put up his number, date of birth, and other things can be done. Now that is not it. You can always check what kind of emails has been sent to that particular person, and if someone is sending you an email back, or if there is an conversation which is starting up, your emails have been also handled from the platform. You can always reply back to a particular person from this platform itself. You don't need to go to your email place and do it. So this is one more dynamic platform which I am trying to give it to people who are joining us. Now, as I told you, it also can take care of email campaigns. You can create email campaigns just like what I have done. You can make a list of campaign, like as soon as your customer comes in, I'm giving them a free download. Then email one, email two, I'm just making a list of sequence of emails. I have also helped them creating, I can track people, how many people have opened the mail and other things. These are most, people who are spending more, they get something like this. I'm giving this tool absolutely free. You can change the sequence of the email just by dragging and dropping it like this. That's it. I can drag drop the sequence and make sure my sequence has been changed, and things works out like this. Now, this is not the end at this price point. I have more to give, and I am coming up with this platform also, Webinar Kit. I'm trying to give this webinar automation platform to the members absolutely free. Right now, it has not been given because I'm working on it, but this platform is so dynamic that it can create a landing page just like this. And any period of time anyone wants to, as soon as they click, they come to know what timer is going on. And if they fill up their detail, they are ready to go with the automated webinar. In case you want, you can use it. But I'll show you the webinar kit pricing is pretty high. But at this period of time, I feel like I can give this as a free solution to my members. I'll take you ahead. I'll show you the price point also in case you are looking out for. This is just a initial price point of Webinar Kit, which Webinar Kit is selling it off. I'm not even charging you for this platform. I'm planning to give this platform absolutely free to all the members who want to be a part of Academy Pro. See, $67 is the price point. I'm giving this absolutely free. Now I'll take you inside just to show how Webinar Kit works out. And if it attracts you, you can always go for it. Now this has various links. So as I showed you the registration link, now I'll show you the inside link, how it looks. So this is how the Webinar Kit looks like. And the students can directly jump into a webinar and take a start with it. And as soon as they join in, they get into it. This also has a OTA, upselling point, wherein I'll just reduce the voice. Which can allow you to upsell your courses also. Okay, so from here with this platform only, There will be, see, this is how the webinar starts up. It's a recorded webinar which goes on. So you can also put a call to action button over here, and the options are there in Webinar Kit itself. So I'm just showing you what all things are coming up, and this is not the end. I can show you my group in which once you become a member, you get into my group also, and in the group every day we have some of the value added products or courses or details which has been shared, so that the people who are there are getting more and more and more than what you guys have even thought also. There are people who are paying huge amount for all these things, and they're spending, but they don't get that kind of value which is needed. I'll just show you in a moment. uh, so I'll take you to my WhatsApp group. I'm just not boosting it up because we do it on a daily basis. We work on each other's. We want to support each other, and we want everyone to grow. It's not only selling the product and waiting and watching that how you do it. It's more in terms of supporting you to make sure your dreams come true. So I'll just show you my group. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this is the group of Academy Pro. I'm just showing you live what we did today. Also, we did a webinar just to guide people how they can use the tools which I'm sharing. It was almost a 2-hour session which we have conducted for the inner community. We did, and we also keep sharing such tools. Now, this is one more tool which I have shared. All members sign up free. I keep sharing such tools so that you get more and more detail about it. I keep sharing value added content, and this is what feedback what people have been talking about in our groups also. So these are all people like you who have become a part of Academy Pro, and they are getting these content absolutely free. See, personal branding tools and tools and tools. We keep sharing so that you don't need to go and purchase any other tool outside and try to work it out. Whatever is there with us, whatever knowledge we have, we try to guide you. If there is something a paid tool, we try to give you an alternative so that you can use it. I'm not saying those expensive tools are bad, but the concern is at this period of time when you're starting up a particular platform or a particular online business, spending so much is not worth it. Once you start earning, you can always use it as a reinvestment and jump into it. We will surely support you in case you want to go ahead and get into some other platform for more features and more opportunity in terms of your growth. We will surely do that. We'll transfer your domain also so that you can move on and take it to a different level. But as an initial starter, it is very difficult for someone to spend that huge amount, and that's why we have this particular platform as Academy Pro. Now, as I told you, I am going to give this as an offer. You're getting it at a price point of 9,999 for a year. It's not a monthly price. You get everything, whatever I had shown you at this particular price point, and whatever comes up in once you become a member, anything which is there inside Academy Pro as a group, everything will be for free. We are not going to charge you for anything. In case there is any cost, we will be very clear, transparent why it is, but I try to make sure that it comes to you absolutely free. Okay, you're not going to spend a single penny. Coming in the group should be a value added thing for you rather than spending more and more. We don't have any upsell. I'm giving you a all-in-one package at this particular price point. This is an valid offer at the period of time I can give you. And in case you guys are interested, I can share my number with you guys. So this is my number. I don't want to pressurize you by saying, okay, this is a one-time offer and you should go it right now. Another thing, yeah, if I want, I can do that, but I don't want to do that. I showed you in and out. Being a transparent person, I really don't want to push it to you. It's up to you when you want to become a part of the online industry. As the business is booming up, this price point is only for a couple of days. I can bet on this because we have raised the price. We are not, I'm not just boosting it up, but yeah, we actually had raised the price to 11,999. And only for Diwali we are coming up. This price point was last to last month. This was the price point. Till last month we had 12,000. This month also we continued. We are going to increase it up because we are giving you three platforms. One is Academy Pro. The other one is the funnel, Epic Funnel. The third one we are planning to give you is the webinar kit, which is going to be a complete solution for your online business at this particular price point. So, guys, if you want, you can reach me out at this particular number. It is 8237183866, and I'll be happy to help you and welcome you to our community, which is growing slowly and steadily. Thank you very much for joining me, guys. In case you have any query, just unmute your mic, and I'll be happy to guide you and take up your questions. I'll just unmute you all so that in case. Okay. So, if you are clear, Ankit, any query?
Yes, I have a query.
Sure, please.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, you showed me the our own domain, right?
Right.
And there is a theme or any color combination we can choose or
Okay.
we
In
can
Academy Pro, there is a setting. I'll show you if I have missed it out. There are a lot of settings, but yeah, what you asked is valid and genuine. So I'll guide you. I'll take you back. I hope you're able to see now in
Yeah.
this Academy Pro backend, wherein your Academy setting is there. You can have a color schema. Now, color schema is just to change the button color and the other detail. I'll show you that right away. So what it does and how it does. So I have a theme color here as dark blue and purple. So if I want to change this, it only changes this particular part, but I'll show you that too. So in case I want to change it to red, okay. So I save it, and if I go back, you can see the color schema changing. Just give me one. Yeah, see, and the font colors also changed. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so because we don't want to make it too messy with a bright color or something like that, it has been decently done on those areas which are highlighting with your logo. It can go with it with your banner. It can go up with it. So your button and the tab colors can be changed accordingly. So if I go back to denim, wherein I can change it. So there are these all colors are there. You can choose anything as you want, and showcase it accordingly. So maybe your logo color you want to highlight it up like that way you can do that. Now this is something contrast which I have done. There are others who have also made some changes. I can show you. So he has kept the same. Yeah, see Dr. Mentor Deepak he has done the mentor color and the tab colors he has matched it up. Can you see
Right,
that?
right,
So
right.
he has made it up in the similar pattern. Manish Jain has made it as red. Okay, so everyone you can choose that way and try to work it out for your color combinations in Academy Pro. See, it won't give you, customization is not there, to be very frank, because it's a cloud-based app. It's not a website which I have made or, which I can modify it. It's a cloud-based app. Whatever changes happens here happens with all the academia. So if you individually want to do something, it's small bits and bits which can help you to give a professional look on your website.
Right.
Okay. Apart from that, we also are helping students now. As you are here, I'll just show you what else I give along with this. So I'll just take you to my screen. Now, see, I also help most of my students to create such brandings also. So we believe a lot in branding. We want you guys to brand yourself properly and promote yourself. Now, see this particular image. So we also give you guidance how to do this. In case you want to make something like this and promote it on your website, you can still do that. There are a lot of tools and sites, as well as I give you a course making. A box making platform application, in case we call it as an application. So for example, I'll just show you. Okay, just give me a moment. Sure. Okay. So there's such kind of artwork and other things. There are a lot of tools which I do share. Okay, which you, in case you want to, we can. Now these kind of boxes, you might have seen many people are selling it via boxes. We are also doing that on Academy Pro. Also, there are boxes, similar boxes which are there. I give an application also absolutely free. If you want to make such box, you go on Fiverr and you check it out. They are charging you 500 rupees for each box. Okay, single box. I'm not
Yes.
boosting. You can do that.
No, I
I'm
know
giving
that.
you an application which can make a number of boxes you want. Just make an artwork, upload it on that particular application. It can create 12 different formats and give you the output also.
And it will be totally free.
Yeah. See, I don't charge anything. I'm giving you a platform like webinar automation and funnel absolutely free. What are you talking about? So I personally don't want people to pay and don't feel like it's an upsell and other things which we are doing. There's nothing like that. You come into the community, whatever we have, we are going to give it absolutely free to you.
Right.
Okay, so
Okay. Yeah.
that's how we work, and we want people to grow. So if I know something, I'm sharing it out. Applications, what I get as an agency, I give it to people, and everyone should grow. That's the main concern. It shouldn't be only me doing it for myself. Jiten sir, no, it is one-time price plus taxes, nothing. It's flat price. You
And
if you want, you can add one rupee and make it 10,000. But yeah, you can pay 9,999 also, and I'm fine with it. In this price, you get domain hosting, everything done with all the bonuses which I told you, all in one. So I would suggest if you're going on InstaMojo and doing it, they are charging you extra. So in case you are doing it via Google Pay, I'll give you. So if you're doing it via Google Play or Paytm, you can pay me directly this price point. Don't worry about any additional price. Okay. InstaMojo will charge you conventional fees. Yeah, there will be an additional cost with InstaMojo. But yeah, if you're doing it directly on Google Pay, don't pay me anything extra. No taxes, nothing, sir. So the details, what I may require when you're doing the payment, I may require your full name. Okay, that is what is required for me. Your full name is required. Your address is required. I may require your email ID. I may require your domain name, what you prefer for. Okay, so if you want a particular domain name, you can give me a domain name and I'll book it up the domain after your payment is done. And as soon as your payment comes up, I'll make a call. We'll have a discussion, understand what domain you're looking out for. If the domain is available, we'll immediately go ahead. Now, as soon as you do your payment, within 15 minutes, you get the backend of Academy Pro. So don't worry about it. It's not like after 7 days only you'll get everything. You get this immediately. Your domain is booked. Once your domain is booked, what happens is it takes almost 4 to 5 days for the integration, because you will get a subdomain like this at the period of initial period of time with Academy Pro written on it. And as soon as your domain and your subdomain integration is done, it will become a white label like this. Like anyone visiting your domain will come to this particular platform. Yes, sir. Jatin, sir, it's the same number, 82371838. It's the same number, sir. Okay. And in case you guys are looking out for, as I told you, to access the platform, you need to go on academypro.biz. I guide you on those areas too. I give you a whole 1 hour session. Maybe if you're joining it today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe at night also, in case you want, I'll guide you how to go ahead, access your Academia, take a start. Once you take a start, I'll guide you how to activate courses also, integration of InstaMojo and your payment gateway. I tell you how to do this also. And you can take a start activating it. It's all copy paste, and anywhere you are stuck, any period of time, just reach me. I'll help you out directly. I come on your system and I guide you on those areas too. Okay. And as I told you, it takes 4 to 5 days for the integration. Once after 4 to 5 days, you can always start promoting your website, start selling these courses, no questions asked, all profit yours. Okay. And as you're going to be a part of the community, I'll help you out with whatever tools we have already shared. I'll share it with you again so that you can take a start. Every Monday at, now today onwards, we have decided every Monday at 7:30 or so, the inner community is going to meet online. I'll be guiding you with more tools, how to use it, because there are so many tools. You can get so confused with it. In case you are good to go with any of the tool, I'm happy to for that. But if you have any query on those also, every Monday we meet up. I can teach you each and every single tools, because we are taking a start. We started up 2 months back only, and we are taking a start slowly and growing also. So that can also help you to boost up. So every Monday we can help you to learn something new and implement it, as well as teach to people also. I'm not saying the free tools are only supposed to be used by me. If you want, you can share it also with your community and grow your community accordingly. So that's from my end, sir. Anything else? If you have a query, just reach me out. The same number is for the payment gateway, and to reach me also, I'll be happy to assist you. In case you want a one-to-one session, I'll guide you up. Right. So thank you very much.
I have 2-3 questions.
Sure, Ankit. Yeah, please go ahead.
So if we have already domain purchased from means I have a domain purchased from GoDaddy.
Okay.
So how can you connect with Academy Pro?
Yes, I can connect it with Academy Pro. I'll just request you the control panel. Once I have the control panel, we can do the settings, and we can do that. I hope you have not done any website on it, right?
No, already done it.
You have done a website. Then why are you changing it? I'll give you a new domain, no?
Okay, fine. And the second thing, if I want to put a landing page link or means a sales link on this page, like MoneyGen, which I am looking, I want to add one landing page link for my sales purpose on top of the.
You can see I've done it for for Academy Pro. I've done it.
Okay.
So you can do that. You can create landing pages, or else I do have a couple of more tools which I give you for landing page. I'll show you right away. So
because I am using GetResponse already, and
if you're having GetResponse, you can integrate it up. But if you are willing to make squeeze pages or small pages, I help you with that also. I'll show you a sample what I do. See, it's nothing new for us. I think so. I have promoted. Okay, here is the link. I'll just show you this link, and you can create such small squeeze pages for your business purpose also, and this is an application. I give this application also absolutely free.
Right.
So this application can create such landing pages. It can allow you to put up your videos also. It can put your deal price, slash price, and what percentage your students are going to save. You can always put a timer, day, and other things. It is all automatic. You don't need to do anything. No coding here also on this particular page. Okay. And anyone clicks on this is redirected to your payment gateway.
Perfect.
Okay. So it solves all your problems. Say tomorrow you feel like, okay, I don't want to use Academy Pro pages. I feel it's too lousy or too long or something like that. You can always create it something simple like this and start promoting it.
Okay.
We guide you on all those areas. So don't worry anywhere. If you have your own website which is running, I would suggest don't shut it down only because you want to take a switch here. In your website, make a tab saying online courses. And with us, I'll give you a new domain if you want. You just let us know what name you want. I'll give you a domain absolutely free at this cost.
Yeah, I have .com and .co.in is available. I know that. So
I'll purchase .co.in or .in for you.
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay, so don't worry. I'll do it for you.
So one most important and last question from
anytime ask.
Yeah. So we are starting a business.
Okay.
This is a business. This is an online business, right?
Okay.
So we don't. I don't know. I don't have any idea about that. We want to register our company, firm, proprietorship firm, or GST registration.
Don't think over it right now. I'll guide you in case you want. Now, when you're creating an InstaMojo account, I would suggest. Have you created it or you are creating it up now?
I already created.
You already created it. Have you made it as a proprietary or individual?
Individual.
Then go with it individual only. I don't think so. Until you grow, don't get involved into all this thing. On your personal account, you can still do online business. Don't worry.
So there is not legal or.
I have a CA friend. He told me almost 30-40 lakhs you can take it on your account. So you are not abide for all those things right now. Once you feel you are generating revenue, then you invest on your proprietary, and then you can go ahead with whatever process you want. Take a start.
I'm talking about just taking a trademark of my brand
No,
only,
no, no. Don't
and
do
then
now immediately. A trademark and all you can, because see, your domain is with you for a year.
yes,
Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. If your brand name is going to anywhere to anybody else, then you need to worry. Okay, but if it is there now, 3 months, 6 months, I would suggest just focus on doing business and see what kind of revenue you are generating.
yes. The first target is getting money in your account.
Yes, that should be your main focus. See, my concern is very simple. You're paying me 10,000 rupees, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for this 10,000, a return of investment is what you should have. Okay. Now,
Mm.
all these courses are there. I may ask you to sell. Now, these courses are sold at a price point of $47 in US. And I can tell you because the template itself is saying 47 and no one can change it. I also can't change this price. Okay. Now these it has been sold at the normal price is $47 launch price. So they are selling it at this price point. Now you can sell it at $10 also. You can sell it at whatever price point you want. There is a particular trainer in South who is selling WhatsApp marketing course at 99 rupees and is still doing big. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
If you want to sell it at 99 rupees also for all 20 courses, it comes to 2,000 per student.
Right.
Okay, you need to target now 5 students to get your return of investment at a price point of 2,000 rupees.
Mm, okay.
Are you getting my point? You
Yes,
sell it
sir.
at 99 rupees also, I don't have a problem. I to tell people you sell it at 500 rupees, all 20 course. 25 rupees per course, no one is gonna give it. In India, the cheapest online course is what Udemy is selling, 350 rupees per course.
Yes, that's
Okay,
correct.
if you want to get your return of investment as fast as possible, it's your strategy because you are not sharing profit with anybody, buddy.
Yes, yes.
Whatever you are making is for you. I'm giving you 20 course, and this is not it. I already have more 20 courses which are related to management. Like the one you saw, I played the time management. Similar quality of course is gonna. Now these courses are different and those courses are different. That kind of courses are gonna be coming up soon. I'll add it up and I'm gonna give that also free. All 20 courses. I can show you a whole list of, of courses which are coming up.
And
So
you shown the bonus courses are there, and that would be integrated with the same platform or what?
yeah, all the courses are there with the platform. What I give
That
add-on
we
is,
that we can sell or not?
sorry.
That also we can sell or not?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
bonus
you can
courses.
sell. You can sell everything. Bonus, living bonuses. Huh? Bonuses you can't sell because bonus
Okay.
don't have rights.
Mm-hmm.
Bonus is for your purpose. You can download it and use it. See, these are the courses which I'm trying to give, and in coming days it will be there. So these are all video courses: employee discipline, employee incentive, leadership transaction, employee recruitment, conflict resolution. All these are video courses which are gonna come. 20 courses which I already have. I've not put it up and I'm going to share all the links so that you can add it in your academia and sell it to your students. So you 20 courses of your social media marketing is there, 20 courses of management is there. Now tell me, can you get your return of investment out or not?
Oh, definitely.
And if you want, create your niche course and sell all this as bonuses at a high ticket price. I will be seriously happy if you do that.
And actually, I want to disclaimer here.
Sure.
Uh, means Chitresh Soni sir give me your reference,
Oh, Sony. Okay.
and actually I am working with him as a I am associated with Febina Group, and we have very big plans, and we want this type of technical support.
I told Chitresh sir, anytime you want, you reach me out, I'll help him. So that's
So
absolutely fine.
we will connect soon with conference with Chitresh sir.
No problem.
I got very clear idea from this webinar,
Great.
and I am very thankful to Chitresh sir and you also.
Thank you, sir.
So we will definitely connect with big plans.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much for joining.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Jiten sir, I saw your chat and you had asked the same for domain. Sir, don't worry if you have a domain, I'll give you a domain. If your domain is not made, if you have not made a website or integrated your domain, I will be, then I can help you out. I can take that domain and integrate it with Academia Pro. But if you already are using a domain, then I would suggest don't do anything on that. I will give you a new domain, absolutely new. And you can just put a tab over there saying, okay, online courses, and you can promote both in case you want to. Okay. Sir,
Manoj,
I hope I
I am
have
in the
cleared
process
most
of
of your
making the
queries.
payment.
In case you have anything, Jitin sir, you want to say something?
Am I audible, Manoj?
Yes, sir. It is very low,
Manoj, am
but
I
yes, I
audible?
can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. So I am in the process of making the payment. Just need to enter the OTP and the payment would get confirmed. And what I was about to tell you is that let me finish, let me complete the payment and then we'll connect over phone.
All right, sir. I'll make a call to you. Sure, sir. Thank you very much for
Okay.
joining and have a great day, sir. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you. See you soon. See you. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Yeah.